Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to delete Airbnb account. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Airbnb is an online marketplace that connects people who want to rent out their homes with people who are looking for accommodations in specific locales. Airbnb offers people an easy, relatively stress-free way to earn some income from their property. In order to delete your Airbnb account, first of all you need to do is head towards your web browser and type airbnb.com and hit enter. Now click on your profile, which is at upper rightmost corner of the website. Click on login. Now enter your phone number and click on continue. Now again click on your profile and click on account. Click on login and security. After scrolling a bit, you will find the deactivate button. Click on it. Select your reason of deactivation of your account. Click on deactivate account. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.